I'm Pastor Samuel Sombi, an associate pastor of Global Glorious Church in Masaka town and the southern part of Uganda. I joined the program which has been attended training taking place in Kampala, Uganda. I've liked what we have been learning through this program. It has given us a new mindset of doing ministry in our country, a new mindset of planting churches in Uganda. Many of us have been doing ministry, but we don't look at the opportunities around us. We take our eyes off what God has put in our communities, and our eyes are always on what will come from the West. So Metamorphic has given us a new way of thinking and a new way of looking at our communities, where we see the communities and the communities' resources and opportunities that are available, and how we can transform our communities through the things that are there, not through writing proposals to Western NGOs, but looking at what we have and involving the people in the development of their own communities. So for me, I feel that out of Metamorphic 1, I have learned a new way of doing ministry. That's not just planting a church for the sake of planting, but planting a church that can transform and change a community, a nation, and the continent. And secondly, how to identify the opportunities that are available in my community. Third, not to impose programs on the community, but to work with the community to do a program that they are involved in, that they can identify with, that they own, because the resources of the project will be what's available in the community. That we have been given a task, a commission to go and transform our nation. And with what we have received, I believe that Uganda will never stay the same way it was found. And we believe that this is a new era and a new season in the church planting movements of this world. Through what we have received here, we are going back to change our nation, starting with our communities, of course, starting with our families, and when at the end of this 2-year program, we are giving a commitment that our communities will not stay the same. Thank you so much.